I'm gonna taste the ostrich. So good. Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl Jasmine, aka Jazzy Jet Sets, and I'm so excited to bring you today's episode. We are back with the Kin Collective, and I'm here with my good friend Emmanuel, and I cannot wait to get into today's video. Just a quick reminder, the Kin Collective is just really about me bringing together people that I've met in different parts of the world as someone who lives in Joburg and who's traveled to different places. And I really just want to bring you these people's passions, their personalities, and just really show you what I feel like makes them very special. And so let's get into today's guest. Emmanuel, please tell us who you are and where you're from.
Okay, thank you, Jess. My name is Emmanuel. Yeah, I live here in Johannesburg. Yeah, I'm a petty boy from Limpopo. I'll just in simpler terms, yeah. But I've moved around a bit. I've been in Joburg for 20 years now. I've been
Wow.
since 2005. Yeah,
Okay.
I finished my high school here. But then before that, I was in a small town called Jinfes. That's where my father's from. So I lived there with my parents. I'm from the Pedi tribe, but yeah, I speak Pedi primarily.
Okay.
Then my mom is Ndebele, so she's spoken she still speaks isiZulu.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
she's Ndebele from Danielton. They speak Zulu, so yeah, there's always been that interesting language dynamic thing going on at home. But
Yeah.
yeah, so that's
Awesome.
pretty much me.
I love that. So we've got Emmanuel from Limpopo, and I think it's time we tell the people how we actually even know each other. How did we meet? Tell them how we met.
Okay. It was
The PG
the PG
version.
version.
Yes, please.
Okay. Oh, yeah. You know, I met her at a party. Was it a party or
It was a pool
was it
party.
just where you're lodging? Yeah, in 2022. So I had gone to see my friends, Cam and Avery. They are from New York, so they introduced us. Yeah, in
Yes.
Cape Town. Yeah.
Shout out to Cam and Avery. They're two New Yorkers who basically have this way of bringing random people together just from around the world. And yeah, so as you would imagine, it's December in South Africa. So everyone's in Cape Town and we're at a pool
Yeah.
party. So that's how we met.
Just a nice
The music was playing, the people were vibing, and there we
this is
were. We
South
were like,
Africa.
oh, okay, cool. But turns out we both were in Johannesburg and we've been following each other on like social media since then. We've hung out maybe once or twice since then.
Yeah.
But I think what really has drawn me to you is what I see on your Instagram from your gourmet cooking. Guys, actually, first, tell the people what you do for a living.
Yeah.
You're 9 to 5.
Yeah, I'm not a chef.
He's not
but,
actually a chef. Go figure.
Yeah. So I'm a cybersecurity specialist. Yeah, I work in the financial sector. That's what I primarily do. Yeah. So cooking is more of a hobby of mine, something I do. in my
I
free
love
time.
that.
Yeah.
Yes, so that is what really makes me want to shed light on Emmanuel. He does really good at like cooking these gourmet meals. I know that his friends love whenever he's like, guys, I'm cooking. Y'all need to come over. So I'm actually trying to get him to start his own YouTube channel too. But point is, I'm really excited. He is going to be making a dish for us today. And we're going to learn a little bit more about just who he is, why he loves cooking, and how he really got into it. So tell the people how you first got into cooking like this. Where did that come from?
I think coming to Joburg and needing to eat, after
Leaving mom.
Yeah, so I left my mom back in Limpopo with my dad. So when I came to Joburg in high school, I started cooking then.
Yeah.
My mom is a great cook, but she never taught me how to cook. I wasn't really paying attention much. But then when I got here, I was just I had to get into the trial and error thing of preparing food.
Absolutely. And specifically, what made you get more into making your dishes more gourmet style?
Okay.
What made you want to elevate them?
Elevate them. Okay.
Yeah.
So I've been cooking for a long time, yeah. But then COVID happened. You know, when COVID
It's
happened.
always COVID. It always comes back to COVID,
COVID
guys.
happened and we can't go out and eat at nice restaurants when we want to. And also like coffee, like when I get into work, I would go and have my cup of coffee. So I had to learn how to make my own cappuccino at home with the limited resources I have.
Yeah.
And then so also at home, I started putting a bit more effort into my meals.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's how I got
Very
into it,
cool. I mean, COVID did a number on us all, but I feel like it definitely some good things came out of it. So
They
that's
sure
great.
did, yeah.
So what would you say is the first meal that you made where you were like, okay, I think I'm really in here. Like I'm out here.
I remember making chicken pasta
Yeah.
for my nephew, and it was like, yeah, surprised myself. It was like chicken and mushroom, yeah, but it was a long time ago, yeah. So I was like, okay, I actually got something going on here.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. I love that.
Yeah.
So maybe tell us a little bit about what we're going to be making and eating today.
Pasta again. Yeah, it's one of my favorite things to prepare because you just throw in whatever you have. Yeah, so we're going to be making ozo. Yeah, pasta. It's an easy meal to prepare. Yeah, so this is what I have. Actually, we're going to need a few more herbs and ingredients, so we'll go get those outside. I'll make that with ostrich, yeah.
Okay, so for my followers who are not South African, you might be like, did he just say ostrich? Yes, he did. That is what we're going to eat. I have been eating ostrich since I moved to South Africa, and I too was like, you want me to eat what? But when I tell you the ostrich burger goes crazy, it goes crazy. So I'm actually very excited for this. Let me know if you want me to bring you some back to America. So yeah, very excited, and I think we can get started on the other ingredients.
All right, cool. Yay. Let's go get. So you guys don't eat ostrich?
No. I'm so excited for the taste test. But number one, what is your favorite dish to make?
Pasta, of course.
Pasta? Yeah, okay, I love that. Yeah. And then if you could cook for any celebrity, who would you want to cook for?
A difficult one.
Yeah.
But then, are you familiar with the character called Zoto Abantu?
No.
She's South African.
Okay.
She's a South African personality. I don't know what she does. She's an entertainer, but she's just like someone who's bold, who's like, I think she'll be very entertaining to chill with and stuff like, yeah.
Nice.
So I think she'll be, she's a
I
really
like that.
interesting character.
Very cool. Okay, so now tell us what you've prepared here.
Okay.
I know we did this already, but let's just remind the people.
Are we zooming into this plate?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's ozo.
Okay.
Yeah, it's ozo. So prepared ozo with ostrich on top. Yeah.
Okay. Lovely.
Yeah, we've got some tomatoes, some feta cheese, some herbs there. So I've used rocket as well as fresh basil. I used some chilies from my garden.
Yes.
And then we garnish with some cilantro from my garden as well.
Lovely. Shout out to Onezwa.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Grown, raise the forage.
Yes,
cheers.
I love it. Oh, she is nice. Yeah. I'm so excited. This is my first time having Emmanuel's cooking. I have been eyeing it on Instagram for a very long time. So now is the moment of truth. I'm going to taste the ostrich. It's so good. So good. Very tender, very soft, very well seasoned.
Yeah, it's a very
little
tough
spice.
animal, so you don't want to cook it throughout.
Yeah,
you don't want to
I
cook
love it.
throughout. Are we gonna be having more ostrich?
Yeah,
Nah, from.
I will
Yeah.
be. I love it.
Okay, sweet.
Very
I'm glad.
good.
I'm glad. I'm glad. I'm glad.
And I feel like it pairs well with the Chardonnay. You weren't, you named it. You nailed it. Very nice.
Indeed.
Guys, thank you for joining us for this episode. Emmanuel, thank you for cooking for us and sharing your passion with us. We are going to get back to this food and this wine and be merry. So bye.